In this video, we are going to see BitQuery's Arbitrum APIs to get top bought and top sold tokens in last 1 hour. I will add the API links in the description. You guys can sign up on ide.bitquery.io and test them out. You will get free 10,000 points for the first time signing up. Let's get started. Select API v2 here, as Arbitrum is an API v2 endpoint right now. Then select EVM. Then select network as Arbitrum. Then select DEX trade by tokens. Then in where we will put our filters. So I want last 1 hour's top bought tokens, right? So I will get total bought amount in last 1 hour for the tokens and get top 100 of them in descending order of the total bought amount. So in where we will select block time since, and in since I will put 1 hour ago timestamp, that is 2024 12 24. We need to use the UTC timestamp here. Right now it's 9:20, so I'll put 8:20 here. I want top 100 tokens with the total bought amount. So limit the count to 100. Order the response according to a field. We will do that. So descending by field and then total bought. Now select the fields we need in the response. Select trade, main currency, name, symbol, and smart contract address of the main currency. Then just get the total bought amount. So this is an alias name that I'm using here. Do summation of trade side amount in USD. Trade side type is buy. Type is buy. So sometimes we don't have price in USD for main currency, but we have price in USD for side currency, because the side currency is generally the WETH or USDC or some of the main tokens for which we easily have the price in USDs. And in a trade, side amount is equal to basically the main currency amount. So to get the total bought amount of the main currency here, I am doing summation of trade side amount in USD, and I am doing the summation only if trade side type is buy, because our EVM APIs are with respect to the pool. So if side currency is bought by pool, that is the main currency is bought by the trader. Same, I'll get here the total sold amount for each token. Just change the buy to sell here. Now just run this query. You will get top 100 total bought tokens. Now just copy over this API to a new tab by just changing this to total sold. Now this query will order the result in order of their total sold amounts in descending order. These were the APIs to get top bought and top sold tokens. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.